Hi, I'm Jeff from ROKFORM, and today we're going to do an installation on our new Pro Ball motorcycle mount on this brand new Harley-Davidson Road Glide. So it's really easy to install. It'll fit bars from 1.5 inches all the way down to 7/8. And how we do that is with these spacers that not only protect the bar, but they act as a nice cushion so you don't scratch your bars. This particular bike uses an 1.25 inch spacer. So we're gonna just wrap the spacer around the bars, and there's a little channel inside the spacer where the clamp goes. So we'll just install the clamp. We'll back out this screw. We do supply the T25 Torx wrench, but I'm using my own because it's just a little bit faster. Wrap this around the bar. Okay, so now that I got the screw somewhat snug, I can move the clamp where I want it on the bar and adjust it exactly where I want it via these two balls. And I'm going to put it about right there because that's where I like it. I'm going to tighten the knob. So to install it onto this lock, I'm just going to press this lever down with my thumb as I twist and lock it onto the mount. Just like that. And to remove it, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just press the lever and turn it the opposite way. So some customers like to use the vibration damper, and I can show you how to install that. It's very easy. You don't even need to remove the mount. I'm just going to flip this backwards, and it's going to expose another T25 Torx screw. I'm going to loosen that. I'm just going to leave the screw in there and put this damper right on. Tighten the screw, and then put it back to my same adjustment spot. So the phone goes on the exact same way with the damper as it does with the other lock. All you're going to do is push and twist. And to remove it, you just push the lever again and twist it. It comes right off. So that is the ROKFORM Pro Ball motorcycle mount.